Hello and welcome to a new episode of the CTO Show with Mehmet. Today, I will be sharing 3 different articles and 3 different topics. So, the first one is blockchain technology and a use case on how we can utilize the school technology in business. The second one is about how companies are skipping a very important thing, which is closing the gap between being data driven and going on digital transformation. And the last thing I would share today in this episode is a tool that can help in HR onboarding, microlearning, presentations, and marketing. Of course, this tool is utilizing AI to generate all the materials. So let's get started and go inside today's episode topic. So the first topic, as I said, is about blockchain. So I know many of you know what blockchain is, but just in case someone hear the topic first time. So blockchain is a digital ledger technology that allows multiple parties to record verified transactions on a decentralized and secure network. It can be used to create a permanent and unchangeable record of transactions in a wide range of industries like finance, supply chain management, and voting systems. In business, blockchain technology can be used to create more efficient, transparent processes. It can increase security and authenticity and reduce the need for intermediaries. Now, the first use case I wanted to share today is from a company that they have utilized blockchain technology to show authenticity. So this company, it's an article from Inc.com. So this company are into the jewelry business. They utilize blockchain in order to show their customers the authenticity of their products. So what they have done is they produce diamonds mainly. So what they do is that using a blockchain technology that they have implemented, they generate serial numbers and they take these serial numbers and they put it on the diamond itself, and then it act as a certificate of authenticity. And each transaction afterward is recorded and verified, of course. So what is the use case here? So the use case here that they have, when they brought these stones like diamonds and others on and match this on the public blockchain. So this is how people, they can really verify that this stone, diamond, or whatever it is, has really came out from this manufacturer. And the beauty of the whole solution that they have applied is that you can track step by step from the manufacturing to distribution to shipping till the end customer where the stone is now using blockchain. So in general, it really show the authenticity. It can show that, this diamond is real, is not a fake one. And in general, like we are expecting, and based on the article, like more blockchain technology like this could help organizations who need this certificate authenticity to adopt this technology. The next topic today is about the data gap between what companies are trying to do and what they have in reality. So what is the data gap? Every organization today, they say we are on a journey to become digital first. We want to disrupt. We want to leverage the technologies, enhance, so we can get better decisions. Like, unfortunately, they miss one important point. To be able to leverage technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, you need to have data in hand. And saying just you have data, it's not like any data. And this is what exactly the data gap is. So data gap is first, like organization, they find out that we are not actually data driven. So we don't record, for example, some transactions. They don't keep data for longer time so they can do more analysis on it. And moreover, they found out that the data actually, even if they store it, is not a clean copy. What I mean by clean copy, because in machine learning, you need to take some data, train it into the model, in the machine learning model, and then based on that, it can start to take some actions, maybe taking decisions, recommendations, and so on. So this is a challenge, and this is one part of the data gap. And the second one is the security itself of the data. So how we can make sure that this data is secured. So how we make sure that this data cannot be easily wiped out. and we have heard about a lot of incident. So this is something related to cybersecurity, of course. But at the same time, if you want to do this digital first and disrupt, you need really to think how I can protect my data against any like malicious attack or even by human mistake that can wipe the data out. And the last thing for this data, if you don't have this data in a proper format, in a sense that this data was not randomly taken, or this data maybe it's taking some aspect of your business but not the other. So this is where you have what is called biased data. So biased data is when the model, based on the data that you feed it, cannot really see other things that are unknown. Remember always, although the name is artificial intelligence and machine learning, but at the end of the day, in the core, there are algorithms. And these algorithms, they just take whatever we feed them in. And then based on the application we want to use it for, we're going to utilize the same data. So if your data is not clean in this sense, if it's biased, you need to work on it. The last thing is a tool called Quinvio AI. So this tool, it can help you creating videos very quickly with AI assistance. So I found it on Product Hunt and it was like number one for a couple of days now. So what it can do, it can write some paragraphs using AI assistance, and then it can rephrase your video script with some intuitive editor. And then it can even assist you in picking an AI spokesperson, so an avatar basically, which looks like a human being, and then present this video and read the context. So some of the use cases they mention is that it can be used for microlearning, presentations, HR onboarding, and marketing. So that's a wrap for today. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. And again, as usual, I would be waiting for your feedback, and we'll touch in the next episode. Thank you very much.